Grit means hard work, determination, perseverance, and most of all, resilience. Bouncing back from problems and failures. Why do you need grit? Because it enables your success, your future, your whole life. You need grit because when something bad happens, your life is worth fixing. If your cell phone battery runs out, you don't chuck it. When you get a car, you won't junk it because it needs an oil change. Instead, you'll fix it. And the same thing applies to your life, because you're worth way more than a car. So, are you dealing with a problem? Have the determination to solve it. Have you failed at something? Have the perseverance to try again. Has life handed you a setback? Do the hard work to practice until you're amazing. Your success, your future, your life can be incredible when you have enough grit to bounce back from any failure and repair whatever goes wrong. That's what today's program is about. Now here's the host of the Grit Game Show, George Halitska.